Hey, how's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the keyboard on a Dell XPS 12-9Q34. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First, lift badge plate and remove screw. Then unscrew and remove bottom base. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Now unscrew and remove MSATA SSD. Then unscrew and disconnect wireless card. Then unscrew and disconnect input-output circuit board. Now disconnect CMOS battery. Then disconnect motherboard cables. Next, disconnect input-output cable. Now disconnect CMOS battery. Then unscrew and remove heatsink. Next, disconnect input-output board cable. Now unscrew and disconnect cooling fan. Now remove motherboard screws. Then turn over and disconnect motherboard. Next, unscrew and remove bracket and keyboard. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.